When I started earning, saving even our $1,000 felt impossible. Every month ended with zero balance and a pile of regret. I thought I needed to earn more to save. But the truth was, I needed to manage better. So I made a rule: save before I spend. The moment my salary hit, I auto-transferred Rs $5,000 into a separate savings account. No excuses. I tracked every rupee. I stopped ordering food daily and learned to cook twice a week. I cancelled subscriptions I never used. And here's the game changer. I said no more often. No to unnecessary shopping, no to weekend splurges, and no to keeping up with others. Slowly, month by month, the number grew. Rs 10K, then Rs 30K, then Rs 70K. It wasn't easy. It was discipline. By month 10, I hit Rs1 Lakh. That moment changed my mindset forever. I realized it is not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. If I could do it with a modest salary, anyone can. Start small, be consistent, and remember, your future self will thank you for every rupee you protect today.